One of the reasons that spreadsheets are so popular is because they can combine data and information from a wide variety of sources. Once you've mastered some of the basics, you'll likely need to integrate data from multiple sources. Most organizations have their data spread throughout the organization in a wide variety of devices and formats. Your organization may collect data on websites or in word processing programs, databases, network servers, or even in paper reports. Anything that is not stored in an Excel format or not stored locally is considered to be external data. Spreadsheet applications such as Excel offer a wide variety of tools to help the user extract external data and integrate it into reports so that it can be actively used to make better decisions. By using the import tools, you can avoid unnecessary retyping. Microsoft has continued to expand the file types that can be easily imported, and this feature has improved considerably in recent years. Common file formats that you can import include HTML, XML, text, and ACCDB files from Microsoft Access. Another reason that Excel is so popular is that it's evolved into the de facto means of consolidating diverse types of data. For example, someone may want you to work on an analysis or report, but they're not able to grant you security access to their database. In this case, one solution would be for them to export their data to a text format, which you can then easily import into Excel. One popular way to integrate information from web pages is to use a web query. A query is a question that you would ask a database, such as Access. In Excel, a web query is a way of importing data into a spreadsheet directly from a web page. This could be stock prices from a financial website such as money.msn.com, or it could be sales data from a company server. Excel includes a number of built-in functions grouped by function category. 13 categories contain pre-programmed formulas to facilitate complex calculations for worksheets containing statistical, financial, scientific, database, and other data. The Insert Function dialog box assists with locating and building function formulas. The structure of a function formula begins with an equal sign, followed by the name of the function, and then the function argument. The term argument refers to the values that are included in the calculation. The structure of the argument is dependent on the type of function being used and can include a single cell, a range, multiple ranges, or any combination of these. Exchanging data contained in one program with another by importing or exporting eliminates duplication of effort and reduces the likelihood of data errors or missed entries that might arise if you need to retype data. One of the advantages of working with a suite of programs such as Word, Excel, Access, and PowerPoint is being able to easily integrate data from one program to another. You can bring data into an Excel worksheet from sources external to Excel, such as Access, SQL, and other databases. Finally, you can export data from a worksheet for use with other programs using a variety of distribution methods and features such as copy and paste, save as, and export to create PDF documents.